Let's cook some baby back ribs. What do you say? So I haven't done baby back ribs, a video on them yet, because they're so easy, and there's hundreds of videos out on YouTube and all around the place on how to do it. But I got a new grill, and on this grill is a smoker, and that's in another video if you want to see that. It's the Smokehouse combination grill smoker charcoal grill. Anyway, I haven't used a smoker yet on it. I still got the Dyna-Glo, still works great, but I needed a new grill. I figured I'd get one with a smoker, just kind of change things up. What better way to break in the new grill? It's already been seasoned, I'm not breaking it in, so don't comment on that, but it's been broke in. But a good way to pop the cherry on that smoker is probably some ribs. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm not gonna do these any different than anybody else you're gonna see out there. I'm gonna peel this stuff, whatever, I don't even know what it's called. I call it skin or sinew or something. We're gonna peel that off. We're gonna maybe smear some olive oil over the ribs, then rub them down and huck them in the smoker, and that's about it. The main thing about ribs that you probably already know is that you want to remove this film right here on the back side of the ribs if you can. Sometimes they're a bugger, sometimes they come off real easy. But the best way I've found is get a butter knife, try to get it underneath that skin stuff, and just kind of work at it and see if you can get it off. And if you can't get it off, I mean, it's not a deal breaker. It just makes it a little more chewy. I prefer to get them off if I can. And if anybody has any suggestions on how to do this any better, I'm all ears, because I'm just a dude doing this in his backyard. I'm not professional at it. So speak up if you know. Looks like this one's gonna fight me. Anyway, I'm gonna work at it, see if I can't get that off. If you can get enough of it off, grab a hold of it and just kind of yank it out of there. See, there we go. It's coming off. This one's easier than that, but I'll keep working at it. Anyway, that's what you get. You get rid of that stuff. Anyway, I'll keep working at this. Then when we get to rubbing them down, I'll show you that too. And I anticipate these are going to take about 4 hours to do, and we're going to be grilling some chicken wings on the grill, and probably grilling some asparagus by request by one of our dinner guests tonight. So I did manage to get the skin off the back of this one. I just started this in and it came right off just like this one did. It wasn't a big deal. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and coat them with a little bit of olive oil and put some rub on them. Okay, now the rub is my homemade that I did in my video. That's all I got left that I made last year. I made 2 whole things of this and it's just about gone. So we'll have to make some more. And if you haven't seen that video that I make my homemade rub, you ought to go look at it, because this is really, really good rub. I really like it. The thing about rubs is you can make it any way that you want and put anything that you want in it and leave out the things you don't like in it. Just as in everything in life, you have choices. I like to temperature probe pretty much everything that I do. I know there's guys out there that don't need to, but I like to know what exactly is going on inside the smoker, and if something's going to be cooked or not, you know. But I got a pretty cool new little thermometer that I'll show you when we get to that stage. But I'm going to say these are pretty much rubbed. I'm still using apple wood because I got lots of it. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. So, yeah, we'll go get the ribs and put them on. Okay, let's get the ribs on. There we go. Now, like I said, I think it's going to take about 4 hours to do this. The grill's only 150 degrees. But we'll keep an eye on it and go from there. So the ribs have been on for about 3 hours, and according to the thermometer they're 153 degrees, and the internal temperature of the smoke chamber is 221, which is about right. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull them off and wrap them in foil so they'll try to maintain some of the juices and cook maybe just a wee bit faster. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, we're just going to throw this back on the grill and wait till they're done. So, update on the ribs. We're about almost 4 hours in, and the temperature of the ribs are 195. According to AmazingRibs.com, which is the go-to place for smoking whatever, is 203. They have to go to a temperature of 203. So they're 195. Just a few more minutes and we'll have them done. So we're unwrapping the ribs. Look at all that juice. Wow.
Oh, it's Jake. That's good.
Lots of juice in there. Wow.
Lots of juice.
Lots of juice. Those smell absolutely amazing. We got some smoked ribs here, people. Okay, so the ribs are done. And this is what they look like after the, probably just over 4 hours of smoking them. And they're absolutely delicious. And the rest of the crew here will testify to that. There you go. We got smoked pork ribs, baby backs. Yeah, everybody enjoys.
Yeah, thank you.